We've just worked on object detection, and now we shall be doing instance segmentation with the mask RCNN model. This model, or the paper on the mask RCNN, is downloadable via this archive link right here. The mask RCNN paper was published by Carmen Hay, Georgia Kildare, Pierre Dollar, and Ross Gershik of Facebook AI Research. And in this paper, they come up with a mask RCNN method, which is a successor of the RCNN, fast RCNN, and the faster RCNN. With instance segmentation, unlike with object detection, we don't only just locate the images or the objects in the image, but we also delineate each object, as we could see right here. And so you would have to define an application in which you could use instance segmentation in solving that problem. Either collect your own data set or use already available data set. Use a model similar to what was given in the mask RCNN paper, a lot similar, and then train, validate, and test your model. Then measure the model's performance. After that, take some corrective measures to better the results, and then finally publish on Medium or YouTube and share on your social networks.